Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice gravy. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil to start our roux. For the liquid, have 2 cups of rich chicken or beef broth ready. Don't forget 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped to build flavor. Finally, season with salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. These simple components will create a delicious, savory gravy. Now let's create the foundation of our gravy, the roux. In a heavy-bottomed skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Once warm, gradually whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Continue stirring constantly for about 8 to 10 minutes. The goal is to achieve a beautiful, rich peanut butter-like color. This slow cooking process develops a deep, nutty flavor that is absolutely crucial for an authentic rice gravy. Patience here truly pays off. With our roux perfected, it's time to build those incredible flavors. Add your finely chopped 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic to the skillet. Sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender and fragrant. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of chicken or beef broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer and watch as it begins to thicken beautifully. This step truly brings all the elements together for a cohesive taste. Finally, let's finish our delicious rice gravy. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and that pinch of cayenne pepper, tasting as you go to achieve your desired balance. Allow the gravy to simmer for an additional 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to let the flavors meld. If it becomes too thick, simply whisk in a little more broth until it reaches your preferred consistency. Serve this rich, savory gravy piping hot over fluffy white rice, mashed potatoes, or any dish that craves a comforting, flavorful topping. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.